As we continue to monitor the COVID-19 crisis situation very closely, we want to share with you the actions that we at Subaru of Bend are taking to keep our community and employees safe, as well as continue to provide top quality service to our customers. We have made several changes to our daily operations in order to ensure that we are doing our part to combat the spread of the coronavirus. We have added multiple hand sanitizer stations in every department that are available to our customers and employees while at the dealership. We have also ramped up our efforts to sanitize all doorknobs, handrails, and other commonly used surfaces throughout the day, in addition to our regular janitorial cleanings. We are using a disinfectant designed specifically for institutional cleaning and disinfection in hospitals. Along with all this, we are also implementing sterilization processes for our rental and loaner vehicles after each customer use. All employees involved in touching your vehicle while it is in our service department are required to wear gloves as well as use steering wheel covers in an effort to reduce the chances of spreading the virus. We understand if you choose not to visit our physical location, but we want you to know that we are ready to serve you in whatever capacity we can. From our website, SubaruBend.com, you can schedule your service appointment, order parts, and even shop for a new vehicle. Should you choose not to wait for your vehicle to be serviced, we offer a shuttle ride anywhere within Bend city limits and will give you a call when your vehicle is ready to be picked up. The shuttle vehicle will be wiped down after each use as well to minimize the potential spread of the virus. We're also offering a pickup service where we come to you, take your vehicle to our shop, and when it's done being serviced, we bring it back to you. Of course, distances are limited. Similar options are available if you're shopping for a new car. From our website, you can choose your vehicle of interest, and one of our internet specialists will walk you through every step of the process without you even having to step foot in the dealership. They'll even bring the vehicle and financing paperwork to you, or arrange for the vehicle to be delivered after the purchase has taken place. Our main objective is to flatten the curve while continuing to serve our local community as best we can. Please know that Subaru of Bend is dedicated to conducting business in a productive manner while maintaining excellent customer service for our customers and staff. We're in this together. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding.